Hello, who am I here with today?
Hi, my name is Mike.
Hey, Mike, thanks. And you guys called Absolute Heating and Cooling for what?
We needed you to come out and fix our AC unit today.
Awesome. Were you happy with their work, explaining everything?
Absolutely.
I really appreciate it.
Got the whole rundown on the system, know everything to look out for in the future to make sure everything's running smooth.
Awesome. Would you recommend us to family, friends, and neighbors?
We're gonna. Yes, absolutely.
We appreciate that. Stay warm.